Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create an avatar with this really cool website I found called DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to sign in and then click on the image AI option here, select AI avatar generation, click on it and just wait for the page to get set. Now once you're on the page, just scroll down and then you can click on start creating your AI avatar, and all you have to do is you would see samples of already created avatars which you can actually choose from if you want to. And this, all you have to do is to just upload your photo here, and this is really ideal if you have one to 4 or 5 photos. And AI, this particular AI will help you to create or generate various headshots. And you can see from here, this is the original picture uploaded and it's created these other variations. So all you have to do is upload multiple pictures here, choose your template, and then you can even customize it and then choose the gender here. Also choose the size here. This is a square um, resolution here, so you can just choose the image size you want and proceed to click on generate. And you'll have multiple pictures or multiple avatars created in likeness of the original image uploaded. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about this particular video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.